I want you to imagine waiting in line for a roller coaster. Now, I've been on some pretty fun roller coasters in the past. Here locally, all of our friends visit Worlds of Fun. Anyways, if you've been to an amusement park, you probably know how they work. You stand in a line of like 50 people who are waiting for the ride to finish so that they can hop on and ride the roller coaster. The best ones that usually have the longer lines, and sometimes it's like 100 degrees out and you're getting a sunburn, and imagine if you're standing in that line and some worker comes up to you and goes, "Hey, you want some free lemonade?" Since it's 100 degrees outside, you immediately tell him yes. But secretly, you wonder why he's giving out free lemonade. So you ask him. He says, "We're starting a lemonade stand down the road, and we figure giving out free lemonade at this busy place is the cheapest and easiest way to advertise." Now you understand why he's giving away free lemonade as you sip away your delicious drink while the line grows shorter. Well, in this video, we are going to explain what an airdrop in crypto is and how you can use them to get free tokens. Let's dig in. What is an airdrop? Airdrops are literally when a developer of a crypto platform gives out free tokens or coins. You may be wondering what the purpose of this is. Well, it's essentially a form of advertising and to spread the use of the coin. In short, developers want people to see that the coin has been added to their account for free and then hopefully try out their coin. Sometimes, however, these airdrops are used to reward early adopters of an application or protocol.
Okay, so for airdrops, you need a specific wallet for a specific chain. I'm going to show you a 𝗬𝗂𝗍 wallet for a 𝗬𝗂𝗍 blockchain. All right, let's dive in. Okay, so this is what my 𝗬𝗂𝗍 wallet looks like. I'm going to give you a link so that you can actually, get your own 𝗬𝗂𝗍 wallet, and I'll put that inside the description. So what do I have in it? I have a little bit of 𝗬𝗂𝗍, I have a USDC. Like, what do I have? Around $20 worth of stuff? Like, there's really not much in here. So I probably, what I did was I got some Ethereum and I sent it to this wallet. And you have to use your address, whichever is underneath. Okay. You're not going to want to see mine, so that's fine too as well. What are you going to steal? 20 bucks? All right. So it says earn and stake 𝗬𝗂𝗍. So we're going to take a look at some of these other things. So you can earn points. They're called LP points. And you earn these points towards getting those airdrops. And you have to join some of these things, and you actually have to, like ZK validator. Let's just go to that. Let's go select amount. And it's going to say that I'm going to share this, and I'm going to get 3.24% for sharing this. And I have total staked 30 already on there. All right. So, and it says your stake 𝗬𝗂𝗍. I don't have any at this particular time on this particular one. The gas fees are also super low with something like this. All right, so we take a look at, these are my coins. Let's take a look at some of the assets that I have. All right, I already got one NFT. And these are the apps that we're connected to at the particular time. I'm going to kind of show you what they are. All right, I went through some of these: Stake, Turbos, NAVI, 𝗕𝗂𝗿𝗄𝗏, Bucket, and Aftermath. And I will leave links to these in the description below so that you can actually go to them. So let's take a look at what these kind of things are. And so I'm in my Turbos account because I did sign up. And all you have to do is just sign up on there and then have an extension so that your wallet can get it. So number one, you definitely need to get a wallet, and you usually get a 𝗬𝗂𝗍 wallet. And I'm kind of going a little bit backwards. So we probably need to show you how you can get a 𝗬𝗂𝗍 wallet. So I'm going to go 𝗬𝗂𝗍 wallet. Okay. And I should be able to come up with something. All right. Right here it says 𝗬𝗂𝗍 wallet. And when I do that, I'm going to click that in another link so you can kind of see when it opens up, and I'll go back to what 𝗬𝗂𝗍 looks like. And I actually have to, it says add from Chrome. So this is where you would do so. Okay, and then that's how I got like the wallet coming up. Now, it says we need to go to 𝗬𝗂𝗍.io. So this is what the site should look like. All right, and it says start building or getting started right here. So this is how we connect to it. Turbos again, and I'm getting, it's showing you what I'm earning. Okay, so I put in $21 on this, and I'm earning an APR of this. Now again, I'm going to get unclaimed rewards, and they may give me a bunch of vSUI, which has a price of around 76 cents at the moment. So what happens if they gave me 1,000 of them? That's like 500 bucks. So, and that happens all the time. I don't want to imply that it doesn't. Of course, this is like, you have to put in time. I'm not going to say it's like gambling, but yeah, you could lose everything that you're putting in. So again, all right, so here's, if I want to launch the app, I just hit NAVI and it connects again to my wallet. And then you can see the 𝗬𝘂 market for this. All right, so I have a wallet connected, already did connect in here. And so it should show you that I have, what, $10.52. And I'm loaning these assets out. So one of the things you have to do is you supply these things. I have that many of supplies, and I'm supplying some of these things and I'm getting interest on that as well. So I have $7, and I just put a little in. You want to put like $10 or less in. API I'm getting is 25%, so my net worth will be worth $21.53 when it's done with me. All right, so there's what I put in. This is what I'm going to be getting out in approximately, I think, 14 days. And this is 𝗬𝘂. And right now they're $1.48 a token, and they're in the top 100. So they've been moving up radically. So when I click on that, I can also get to the websites, and you can do that from, again, CoinMarketCap. Right, again, you can hit the official site and the website. It should bring you to 𝗬𝘂.io. Liquidation 10 days. All right. So they're using basically your crypto to do what they guys said. Lemonade, try out our new market.